If you decide to do the smile life, or you want to do like a friendship but is like a chevron look, you can also do that too. And want to draw like a smile line, make sure you cover and get all covers with the premium mahel channel foil, where you are going to, where you want the foil to be sticking on, because it's not going to chamfer if it doesn't have a chamfer foil. So I think I got it good here for 30 seconds. And we're gonna adhere this. So it doesn't matter, you can get any of the image of it if you want to do like on that middle image of the designers, or you can just doing it like the details of the flowers. And then on the second one, we are going to do with the Diamond Dust Pixie and an Ultimate Crystal Kits. I'm gonna grab the Ultimate Crystal Kit. So my box, I got this foil and I have another foil as well, so I'm so excited. And we're gonna use this kit today as well. Okay. So now is the time, it's done. I'm gonna just get that one right here because I like the detail. We are going to give it a good like rub on. My thumbs has the, hey Mika, hey Nancy, hey Isabel, thanks so much for tuning in. Give a good rub. And then we are going to peel it. Just make sure you give it a good rub. It's not chamfer if it's not going to adhere to the premium mahel chamfer foil gels. So if you feel like it's missing anything, you just like leg it back up and give a good rub. It's going to chamfer everything. Great. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use a little of the alcohol. I'm gonna clean this one really quick. That's it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and using the illuminating gel art. This is the golden. I am going to do just to create this really cute line. You can do a black line, you can do any colors that you would like to do. Put the silver, gold and silver go well together. Looks really pretty by itself already. Okay, flash here for 30 seconds. Hey Dom. Thanks so much, Jen. I'm feeling better today. Thank you, Jen. And I'm debating within the 3D crystals. I am going to do this. Where am I? For New Year. Okay, I think this would be good though. Yeah, it looks so pretty. So many. Do you want to see the designs for the clocks again, or you want to just leave it like this? You know what? The clock looks cool though.
You can do something else. You might put the clock on.
I'm doing 3D.
Mm-hmm.
3D also is so beautiful. Okay. So I'm not using the thick, triple thick condensed glue gels. We are going to add some. It's really thick. So you need about the same size as the 3D. So I think I'm gonna do a 3D. Can you grab me another nails yesterday? The New Year nails with the golden. So I'm gonna get about the same size as the of the 3D. Really thick density. Oh, this nails is pretty. Yesterday we did. So instead of clock, because we already have a clock, so we're gonna using something else. We'll do some 3D. This is also coming in the sub box as well. Cover goldens like flowers. And then silver. And then black. As you see that the triple thick condensed glue gel, and then if you want to apply the no wipe top coat right on top of it, it works as well. And also when you are applying the precision glue gel, the precision glue gel would definitely cover everything that we've been missing if you're not able to put the top coat on right away. Drop the pearl right here. Okay. Little cute pearls right there. You see that it's not moving anywhere. It's perfect that you can adjust however you would like. First, I'm gonna get a couple. This is from the sub box. A lot of you will get this beautiful champagne colors, flowers, and then I got the rose gold one. I love mine. This one, it's a pointed back. Hold on. I need to push it harder. Remove this one. Okay.
Very Donna. Thank you for the bag.
Thank you, Donna, for the badge. Thank you so much for tuning in. All right, so it's perfect, and then you can adjusting it is in the center if you want to be right in the center. If you are going to do it and on the corner, however you would like, you can adjust it as much as you want it until before you key it. All right, I'm happy with this. We are going to key for 60 seconds. Oh my god, it looks so cute.